Hello, my name is Jerry Lynn Babst, and we are going to be looking at how to do decimals on the GED calculator, as well as changing fractions to decimals and decimals back to fractions. First thing I'm going to do is turn my calculator on, and then the decimal button is right here. So if I wanted to put 2.5 in my calculator, I would do 2, hit my decimal button, 0.5. That's fairly simple. Anytime I need to enter a decimal, that's what I'm going to do. And if I wanted to take this decimal and turn it into a fraction, there's actually a couple ways that I can do it. The easiest way is if you see these arrows right here. If I put that right there, it adds these little arrows, and then when I hit enter, it takes this decimal and it has now turned it into a fraction. I can hit this button again, and this time it just did it automatically. It took this fraction and turn it back into a decimal. The other way that you can do this, let me go retrieve my decimal again, is right here where you see this F to D. This is a secondary function, so I'm going to hit second. I'm going to hit this, and it's saying take this and turn my decimal into a fraction, or a fraction to a decimal. If you notice, those arrows go both ways. So I could also do this again for my fraction that I have, and when I hit enter, it turns it back into a decimal. So the easiest way is to just use this button, but if you don't remember how to do that and you notice this F to D over here, you can also use that as you're switching fractions to decimals.